Hello team, here is the justification for the design choices I made for the infographic on the leading causes of death in America we needed. The first thing you'll notice is the visual hierarchy of information. The title is in large font at the top of the infographic, as it will give insight to all of the other facts presented. The 78.1 displays the average life expectancy of Americans, as that gives context to the average dying person. The charts show the information in different colors to draw attention to the content. The conclusion is big as to drive the point of the infographic home. Closure is shown in the line of stickmen within the isotype at the top left. The insides of the stickmen are all negative space that is filled in by your mind. The color scheme of the infographic is mainly monochromatic with the baby blue color, but also features information shown in orange, a complementary color to blue, as shown by a color wheel. Because of the drastic color difference, I have only showcased information on charts in orange. The contrast I have chosen is black on light blue. You can see that all of the font is in black. This works as the black can stick out from the blue and become easier to read. Let me know if you have any questions about my design choices. Thank you.